Right, let's have a look at this algebraic fraction. So 3x plus 5 over 2 plus x minus 4 over 3 is equal to 16. And you have to give your answer as a fraction, basically, is what they want, okay? Okay, so a little bit troublesome because the equals to 16 is here. So if it's all right with you, I'm going to do it two ways, and you can tell me which way you prefer. So our common denominator is 6. Okay, so I'm going to multiply each piece by that 6. So 6 times 3x plus 5 over 2 plus 6 times x minus 4 over 3 is equal to 6 times 16. Okay, so each piece by the 6. Then I simplify it. 2 goes into 6 3 times, 3 goes into 6 twice. I could, of course, write this over 1, but it makes no difference. So then you multiply. So I'm going to go 3 by everything in this bracket. 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so I'm done with the 3. Now it's 2 by everything in this bracket, and it's a plus 2. So plus 2 by x is plus 2x, plus 2 by minus 4 is minus 8. And that's equals to, and I'm just grabbing my calculator, 16 by 6 is 96. And it's all over 6. Okay, when there's an equals to in it, like such, you can actually drop the bottom line, and mathematically what we do is just multiply across by 6. Okay, so you can only do this when the question says a solve. So I get 9x plus 15 plus 2x minus 8 being equal to 96. So let's tidy up. I have 9x and 2x is 11x. I have 15 minus 8 is 7 equals 96. And just like with any other solve, x is to one side, numbers to the other. Okay, or of course you can minus 7 for both sides, whichever way you do that. And you get 11x being equal to 96 minus 7, 89. Divide by the number in front of the letter. And I am getting x equals to, I'm just putting into my calculator 89 over 11 to see does it simplify down, but I know it doesn't. Okay, so x is equal to 89 over 11. And it was trying to tell you here in the question that you were going to get a fraction as your answer. And that's sometimes when they write this stuff, it's not really to confuse you, but it's actually to help you. So it was to know that you didn't make a mistake if you got a fraction in your answer. That's what you'd expect. Okay, so that's one perfectly acceptable way of doing it. Another way that I see it done is the following. So 3x, sorry, just clean my pen. Okay, so 3x plus 5 over 2 plus x minus 4 over 3 is equal to 16. So what I've seen done is you just get a common denominator here of 6 and you do a bit of a crisscross so that you get this 3 by everything in the top bracket. And then you go plus 2 times everything on the other top, and you leave it equal to 16. Okay, so it's a bit of a crisscross method. You can see it's the same thing. Do you see I still have 3 times 3x plus 5? And I still get 2 times x minus 4. So I'm not really changing how I do my maths. I'm going to still get 9x plus 15 plus 2x minus 8 over 6. It's just equal to 16, okay? I'm just handling the 16 bit different. Okay, and what you do is the 16 goes over 1, and then you just do crisscross again, because you can really only do crisscross with 2 terms. So that you get 1 times 9x plus 15 plus 2x minus 8 being equal to 16 times 6. Okay, and what you end up getting is 96 there. So you can see that you end up getting the exact same thing again. Of course you do, it's the same sum. So you're going to get x is equal to 89 over 11. Okay, so it just depends again on how you look at it, but they are the different ways of approaching the sum. Either way, you're going to get x is equal to 89 over 11.